This is my dream desk setup for 2026. Oh, and real quick, before we get to the dream desk, I have to show you something. I finally got my new YouTube Gold Play buttons. But can you believe YouTube actually shrunk it? It's way smaller than the ones they used to send out. So, just a heads up for any of you planning to pass 1 million subs on your channel, you're no longer going to get that big, classic play button. You'll be getting this smaller one, just like this. In the past, I've built a lot of setups. Most of them were focused on performance and flashy aesthetics, and honestly, I spent thousands of dollars building them. But things are different now. This time, I'm focused on ultimate productivity, keeping it as simple and minimal as I possibly can. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what this new dream setup looks like. I think this is easily the most minimal setup I've ever had. I'm going to be using this desk mainly for my research, development work for mobile, AI, and VR. I probably won't use it much for video editing, since I have other dedicated setups for that. I'm also not planning to use it for entertainment or gaming. This space is purely for focused, minimal, productive work. I have a ton of desk setups in my office and studio. You've probably seen some of them in my previous videos. Even my cyber room has 2 separate stations, this one for Windows and gaming, and this is my Apple area. But the main problem I faced is that the tables aren't adjustable. When you're in a long work session, you need to be able to change your position every so often. A fixed height desk just doesn't work for me anymore. That's why I went with a height-adjustable desk like this one. It came in a box just like this and was super easy to set up. It comes in multiple colors for the metal bars and the tabletop. I already have white and other colors in my office, but I chose this Canyon Walnut finish. Why? Because for long sessions, I find black is often too dark, and white can be a bit too bright and hard on my eyes. It has a single motor that can lift up to 80 kilograms, which is more than enough for a standard computer setup. The height range is decent, going from 70 centimeters to 115 centimeters, so it works well for both sitting and standing. The motor is also really quiet. A cool feature is its anti-collision system. It uses a gyroscope, so it'll stop if it hits anything, even soft stuff. It also comes with a 5-year warranty from Razel.lk, which is great peace of mind. The only thing is, it's not portable. I'm planning to install 4 wheels on it soon, so I can move it freely around the room. Anyway, that's enough about the table. Let's move on to arguably the most important part, the chair. When it comes to seating, I have a lot of experience. I've used so many different chairs and spent a ton of money on them. Some of them are for gaming and some for my video setup. These 2 chairs right here cost thousands of dollars and are from premium brands known for durability. But for this setup, I wanted something specific, a fully adjustable, light-colored, ergonomic chair. I ended up choosing this Rae Ergo Flex 4D ergonomic chair. It came in a box just like this and was simple to set up. This ergonomic chair is incredibly comfortable. It has a full mesh back, which is great for staying cool. And you can adjust both the lumbar support and the headrest. The armrests are 4D, meaning you can adjust their height, angle, widths, and depth. You can even slide the seat forward to get the depth just right. It reclines back pretty far, 135 degrees, and you can lock it or let it rock. It even has a pull-out footrest for when you want to lean back. It seems really solid, too, with a good gas lift and a chrome base. Honestly, compared to my other super expensive chairs, this one has more features, especially this headrest. It feels great on my neck and upper back and just fits my body perfectly. Since I'll only be working with my MacBooks here, this is the ultimate setup for me. The next upgrade is this heavy-duty gas spring single monitor arm. Now, you might wonder why I went with this specific monitor arm. The main reason is that default monitor stands just take up way too much space on my desk. They really limit my workspace and make it feel cluttered all the time. I just don't like the standard stands. When I first considered a setup like this, I wanted to hold 2 ultrawide monitors. That also takes up a ton of space, and both of their stands had really limited adjustments, like for height and rotation. But finally, with this heavy-duty gas spring single monitor arm, I got an all-in-one solution. As I said, it only uses a tiny bit of space on my desk, and it offers a ton of adjustments. Now, I've been thinking about monitors. A standard 4K monitor feels too narrow for me. I'm not really a fan of dual monitors, because you end up with that annoying line right in the middle that breaks your focus. But a super ultra-wide is too wide for productivity. It's not minimal, and it hurts my neck from looking side to side all day. I found that a standard ultra-wide is the sweet spot. But to hold a monitor like that, I'll definitely need a strong monitor arm like this one. It's pretty heavy duty and can hold a lot of weight, up to 27 kilograms for a flat screen or 22 kilograms for a curved one. It's really versatile, fitting monitors from 17 inches all the way up to those huge 57-inch ultra-wides. You get full motion, so you can tilt, swivel, and rotate the screen however you like. It's also got a good height adjustment range. It's been tested to hold double its max weight, so it's super sturdy. Setup seems easy with a quick-release Visa plate, and it has built-in cable management. You can even get a version with USB ports in the base. As you can see here, it's got USB-C and standard USB. If you watch my videos, you've seen a ton of lights and RGB. But the truth is, I don't use any of that when I'm actually working. I only use those lights to color my videos. I actually prefer working in the dark. But working in complete darkness isn't great for your eye health. You still need a little bit of light on your keyboard and desk. That's why I picked up this Rae double head desk lamp. I've shown you a couple of desk lamps in my videos before. But I decided to mount this one on my desk. It's really practical. The main feature is the dual light heads, which give you a really wide spread of light, perfect for a big desk or an ultra-wide monitor. The arms are flexible goosenecks, so you can aim the light exactly where you need it. It also has a remote control, which is convenient, and a strong clip base so it doesn't take up any desk space. It seems like a solid, eye-friendly lamp. So, this is the final result. Working comfortably in low light with a super simple setup. This is honestly one of the best work experiences I've ever had. No distractions, no entertainment, just pure focus. It's definitely going to level up my productivity. And when I want to stand or just change positions, I can transform the setup in seconds. Everything is super adjustable. The chair, the desk, the monitor arm, and the lamp. My plan for 2026 is to slow down a bit, stay low-key, and build some things to help people. That's why I'm focusing on developing these apps, working on some AI, and diving into AR and VR.
Hello, Chanux. I'm Kai, your personal AI assistant.
If you want to buy any of these items, you can head over to razel.lk to order now. I'll put the link in the description below. I'm hoping 2026 is going to be next level, all thanks to this minimal setup. Let me know your ideas and questions in the comments. I'll try to answer them, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.